Hi, in this video we are going to learn print statement and variables in Python. Print statement is used to output the text. To write the print statement, we will first write print and then put two parentheses. Between the parentheses, we will write two quotes and add the text we want to print. And then run it. There you go. You have got a perfectly working statement. Now we will start with variables in Python. Variables are containers for storing data values. For example, decimals called float, numbers called integers, etc. Let's start writing the sentence for variables in Python. First, we write the name for the variable. Then we write its value. To print it, we will write print, add two parentheses and write the variable name and print it. There you go. You have got a perfectly working variable statement.